Regret is a monster that you keep choosing to feed every single day. You're living as your past self that doesn't even exist today. You cannot build a new life by living in the past. Living in the past wires your brain to stay stuck. It doesn't allow you to live in the present. The past is the past. That's your old self. Start living in the present as your new self. Stop letting the past be the judge and jury where you were always guilty. In a nanosecond, you can break those chains that are keeping you trapped in the past by choosing to live in the present. Your past were just choices, not a life sentence. You didn't know any different in the past, but you do today. Your past does not equal your future. Stop thinking, I should have done it differently, and start thinking, I will do it differently. True inner peace means you stop living in the past and you start living in the present. Your future begins when you stop living in the past and you start living in the present. Are you living in the past? Leave that in the comments below. And if you're ready to start living in the future, hit that subscribe button right now.